Female version of a hustler, of a hustler, of a hustler. Na diva is a female version of a hustler, of a hustler, of a hustler. Stop the track. Let me stay fat.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So first, I want to say thank you for tuning in for another one of my videos, because I love it when you all watch my videos, because this is what I do in my spare time. I like to show you all how my hair routines go and just my personal home care routines and how I keep my hair growing and healthy. So anyways, today's video, if you could tell from my thumbnail, I am dyeing my hair from this color with no name to a darker color. I'm going to jet black. It's been about 2 years since I've been jet black, or my hair's been black, because it was before I did my big chop, which was like 2 Decembers ago. And I actually did the big chop and I got my hair dyed at the same time. So ever since then, I've been kind of retouching my hair up, but I haven't been doing it so often. And I just feel like my hair grows so fast, I can't keep up with the touch-ups. It's so noticeable, and I feel like black looks healthy. It looks shiny. It looks really pretty. I'm ready to go back to being jet black. So I picked up from my local Sally's. I picked up 2 hair dyes. I picked up some permanent dyes, and I did the Ion brand. And these are just some permanent jet black dyes. And I got 2 of them. Can't be caught slipping at home trying to dye my hair, and I don't have enough, so I got 2 of those. I also got some developer to mix with those, and that's all this Ion brand requires, is the dye and developer. So I got 20 developer. A little quick tip about developer is if you're going from a light color to a dark color, you want to use like a 10 developer if you're naturally light. If you're naturally dark and you're going to a light color, you want to use like a 40 developer. Being that my hair is dyed and it's been bleached before, but it's naturally dark, I'm using a 20 developer, and I'm just going with like a safe place. So can't really go wrong. And so anyways, that's just a quick tip, because developers can be using developers. People don't really know how to use them, and they can be kind of tricky. It took me a while to learn. So anyways, I just wanted to give you all a tip. And secondly, let me just tell you, please excuse what is happening to my face. I don't know, but I always have skincare stuff, products that I'm using, but my face is just whatever. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and, you know how I always do, I start out anything on my hair dividing into like 4 sections, and I'm gonna work the product through just like that. So let's get into it. Alright, so I also wanted to just let y'all know what I'm using, what you need before you sit down and get ready to do your hair. You got what you need. So I'm using some gloves. These black gloves I got at Sally's, and honestly, these are the best gloves that I've ever gotten, because I don't know what kind they are, what they're called, but they are reusable. They are thick, and I've used these like 2 or 3 times, so that's weird. Anyways, so get you some of these from Sally's that you can reuse, because tip, this iron dye does not have gloves in it. I'll just open it up. It does not have gloves. Some dyes do, but this one does not. So do not get this thinking it's got gloves. Secondly, you want to put some type of oil around your edges, around your ears. I need to take these earrings out. Definitely protect your skin and stuff. I'm going to put some oil on, and I have my little bowl. And if you do your hair at home a lot like I do, some stuff I go to the salon stuff, but some stuff I don't, go ahead and invest in your little bowl, because you will need it for a lot of the different things. In this little brush that I'm gonna brush my dye on with. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my dye out of the pack and put it in my bowl, and then I'm gonna add some of my developer. You don't have to measure this developer. I don't know why, but you don't have to measure developer. But I mean, don't just go crazy with it, but you don't have to measure it. So for my little oil, I just have some of this olive oil formula by Palmer's. This is the only oil I got right now, other than like some olive oil. But I mean, other than like coconut oil, but you know, coconut oil will get body temperature and start to run, and I don't have time for that because I'm trying to get this. I'm gonna be trying to get this dye distributed evenly throughout my hair, and I don't have time to be trying to catch that coconut oil from running in my ass too. So. I love the color. I'm just glad that I was able to get this product through thoroughly, timely manner, and I think it turned out really good. So that's the end of this video. I just wanted to show you me coloring my hair. It turned out so well. So okay, if you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And I don't know how I'm gonna style this just yet. I'm gonna go through and put some leave-in conditioner and just detangle a little bit, but we may go in a bun from here. But I just wanted to go ahead and get my color done, and it was success. It was a success. So thank you all for watching this video, and